The Federal Ministry of Finance, in collaboration with Gardona Petroleum and Energy Services Limited, has organized a seminar on entrepreneurship development for students of Mariam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano, on 1st of September 2022. The program, which was organized under the sponsorship of UWIN Connect, was aimed at developing entrepreneurial skills among the students of the university in order to reduce over-reliance on government jobs. In his presentation, a research consultant with Gardona Petroleum and Energy Limited, Mr. Levi Zika, stressed the importance of the program in creating job opportunities for self-reliance. Zika, who spoke at length on the areas covered by UWIN Connect program, said an entrepreneur is a committed and resilient person who tries to achieve his goals despite challenges. Earlier in his opening remarks, the president of Ma'un Kano, Professor Muhammad Israr, expressed gratitude for choosing the university to benefit from the program in the Northwest Zone. He maintained that the institution is committed to promoting market-oriented and entrepreneurially based courses. Speaking during the event, the Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance, Dr. Nura A. Yaro, who lauded the presenter for taking his time to lecture the student, also reiterated the need for research, which he said is an important tool for evaluating the viability of any business enterprise at its early stage. Dr. Nura expressed appreciation to the organizers of the workshop for selecting Ma'un Kano among other private universities in the country and enjoined the students to make the best use of the opportunity provided to enable them become successful entrepreneurs and business owners in the future. Also speaking, the Monitoring and Evaluating Officer of the Ministry of Finance, Abuja, Mr. Peter Ikiapa, highlighted the benefits of the seminar, which he said is designed to expose students to new business opportunities with a view to making their individual dreams a reality. The event was attended by some management staff, including the Vice President Administration of Ma'un, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Vice President Finance, Mr. Dauda Abrazak Kayode, Dean School of Computing, Professor Ibrahim Lawal, among others.